Hello student, this is Shivani Bairagi. Today we will learn about food security in India, chapter 4th of Economics, standard 9. So, what is food security? Basically, food security is depend on these three A's pillar, that is availability, accessibility and affordability. Let's learn about these three pillars in detail. First, availability. Here, availability refers to production of food within the country, including the imports as well as the previous year's stock. Here, it means that there is a self dependency on production of food. We were not dependent on other for our food. Okay. Second is accessibility. Here, accessibility refers to the food easily accessible by all. That means it is easily reached to all person. Okay. And the third is affordability. Here, affordability refers to a person belong to any section, any group, or any category were able to buy sufficient, safe, and nutritious food. Okay. Thus, a country is said to be called having a food security only if it is having enough availability of food to all people at affordable rate with the easiest accessibility. Okay, now the question arises, why we need the food security? We need the security of food to overcome from the future uncertainty such as natural calamities or the inflation, and this uncertainty most affected to the poor people. These people were more affected by this two uncertainty. Thus, PDS is a system, public distribution system, helps to overcome the poorer to face this two kind of certainty. So let's understand the PDS. Through this flowchart, we are going to understand the process of public distribution system. Okay, farmer are the first who produce the grain. So government directly purchase the grains from the farmer through MSP, that is minimum support price. It is an issue price which is offered by government to the farmer before sowing the grain. That means before sowing the grain, the price is offered by the government to the farmer to encourage them to produce more and more grain, especially wheat and rice. Okay. Afterwards, after purchasing the grains from farmer, government make its stock, and this stock is known as buffer stock. Storage of food grains is known as buffer stock, and the storage of food were kept in the godown, and from godown it is through the transportation, it is transported to the local areas, towns, cities. Okay, and from local areas it were transported to the fair price shop, which is usually known as ration shop. Okay, and from ration shop people were able to buy the grains at very affordable rate, that is 2 rupees of 2 rupees kg of wheat and 3 rupees kg of rice. Okay, so through all this process from producing the grain and from getting the grains from the ration shop is known as public distribution system. Okay, here also we will see the act 3 A's. How? From farmer to the making the buffer stock, there is the availability of food. Okay, and from buffer stock to from godowns to sending to the ration shop, there is the accessibility. Okay, through which we were helping to reaching the food to the needy one, and from fair shop to the people there is the affordability. Okay, hope you understand the concept of PDS. Thank you students.